Welcome to this beautiful house. My name is Catherine Chen from ManRealty. We specialize in Monterey Park in Alhambra. This is our newest project, 323 Linda Vista Avenue in Alhambra. Let's check it out. When we first started this project, it was just a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom home. We decided to open up the walls to make it more of an open concept plan, by also adding another 1-bedroom and 1-bath to make it a comfortable 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom home. Behind the front unit, we have this brand new deck that's perfect for barbecue or outdoor dining. In addition, we have this brand new 1-bedroom, 1-bath ADU, perfect for additional income or extended families. Let's check it out. So this is a brand new built ADU. It is extremely spacious with the open floor concept with 1 bedroom. It also has its own washing and dryer room, dual vanity sink, and the best part is that it has its own backyard. Thank you for checking out our brand new project. If you're interested in finding out how our team can help you remodel and sell it for a higher price, please contact me. Thank you.